Hello my Indian students, welcome back. So we've linked this architectural file into Revit. Okay, how do I know? Have I linked it or select the file? Okay, this is a link file. I want you to comment in the comment section, John, how do you know that I linked or I imported? Okay, so this is the project. Okay, so we're going to do the building now. Okay, maybe in the next video we'll show you how to do the building. Okay, take care. I just want to give you a hint. Okay, see, I created two drawings, you would notice, because this drawing had a lot of unwanted stuff. So what I did was just create another separate drawing, copy paste, and then link it here. Okay, this is the secret which I was so this is part 4. Okay, take care, see you all in the next class. Yalla, bye.